All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Finally trading here again today on a Thursday, my first trading day of the week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those videos that I put out on Monday and Tuesday. But for today, just one trade, and it was kind of an interesting one, kind of up and down on this one today, a short and cold. So let's check it out. Let's trade. All right, so cold all of a sudden started booming here out of nowhere. You can see it hitting on the scanner up to the 30s. I'm going to go ahead and get a short started here at 34.88. Actually thought I was getting that above 35, but here's what it is. I was then looking to add through 35.50. Would have been a beautiful add spot from my initial entry there down at 34.88. So it does get up through it here, but I hesitate here. You see me hesitate for just a second, and then I put the order out there, and it's too late. It's already coming back down. It doesn't get me a fill. So that's a shame. I did not get a really good add there. Could have made this trade really nice, but it does start coming down here a bit. So I'm looking for 34.20 to take off half of my share size here, 50 shares. I'm looking to take off here if I can get under 34.20. So there it's under on the bid. I click the button, I get the fill at 34.19. So now I've got 50 shares left, and I'm looking for like 33.80 on those 50 shares if it can continue down a bit further for me here. So unfortunately, it does not do that, and this is where I got a little bit hairy with how I traded this one. So about 5 minutes or so goes by, and it's coming up. I'm like, I think I can probably just restart this one and be good with it. So I add in that 50 shares that I previously covered. So now I'm back up to 100 shares with an average of 35.30, but it was kind of right at the high of day. It hadn't broken through really or anything yet, so probably not my best ad spot there, but only in 100 shares, still at 35.30. So we'll see what it does from here, and it does keep going a bit. So now I'm looking for up through 36.50 to get my next ad of 100 shares there, and there I go ahead and I get the ad in at 36.51, and then I'm gonna look for the final ad up through 37 if we can get up through that level. So gonna see what it does here in cold. Have 200 shares short right now at 35.91, looking to add up through 37. It did get up through 37, as you can see here, but I hesitated again and I did not get the ad. So at this point, it's gone through another little pullback, and I decided I'm just going to put a stop out just above 37 at 37.01. I'm going to put a target down at 35.80, which doesn't really make the secondary recycled shares a winner, but just kind of haven't played this one great. So at that point, I'll just be happy to, take it off and be small green on the extra shares that I ended up playing here. So a little bit of time goes by, and it just kind of slowly going down, but not really doing much. And I decide, okay, I think it's appropriate now. I can move my stop down just to above the highs of the previous like 8-10 minutes of candles. So I move my stop down there to 36.73, and still gonna wait and see if it either stops me out for red or if it gets down and gets me filled at 35.80, and I'll just be a little bit more green than my realized already is here on cold. So just got to wait and see what happens. And a bit of time goes by, and it looks like my stop ended up being a pretty good stop spot there, because had it gone up through that point, it probably would have gone higher today, so no need to wait. But we're coming down here. Can we get down to the 35.80 and get a fill there just to get me out here on these extra shares that I ended up trading here? So kind of low 80s. Can I get a fill? Can I get a fill? Can I get a fill? There's the fill, all out at 35.80. So only $20, and it's not really considering that green on that secondary trade there, but a good example again of how you, with this strategy, you can get out even though this isn't really considered a win here. You can still get out with small green rather than having to take the full loss as you would with maybe a conventional strategy. So I'll take it on the day, up $56 here in cold, and that was it. It was overall a pretty slow day. There's actually a few things popping right now as I just looked over as I'm filming this video, seeing the market go a bit higher. Tesla's up to 685, so who knows, maybe I'll get one after I film this video. If I do, I'll be sure to post it on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. If you guys enjoy the videos, if you like the channel, do me one big favor: hit like, hit subscribe. It's absolutely free for you. It means a lot for me. I appreciate it. I'll catch you later. Have a great one.